Part 4. Okay, let's see. About. Oh, it's glitching out. It's not supposed to be like this. See, look, it's glitching out. But it's not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to be looking for. And now I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft. Okay, so you're gonna want to. What you're gonna want to do is once you get downloading, you go to settings. You want to go to security and make sure unknown sources is on. Don't worry, this will do nothing. Just make sure it's on. So what you're gonna want to do next is I'll leave you the download link. Once it's done downloading, go to all files. When you download, it should be somewhere here. The APK file. Remember, you should have Android, and then this should show up. It's not supposed to look like that. It's only because I already have it downloaded. As you should say Minecraft Pocket Edition. That's what PE stands for. Okay. And also, if you want to get some skins, I recommend going to Skindex. They've got like the best skins. Select the best one and download it. And then once you have it downloaded, go to Minecraft PE. Go to settings. And then you should click browse. Yeah, it should glitch, but that's okay. It won't mess up anything. Go to the download file. And then you should look for skin. Like if you downloaded Mario, it should be this one. If you downloaded this guy, it should be this one. Download Villager, should be this one. If you download Luigi, it should be this one. And if you download Finn, the human, it should be this one. So yeah, and then once you start playing, you'll be good to. Whoa, what? Did I die? What? This thing is glitching out. Okay, that was a weird glitch, but yeah, there are some glitches because it is a testing version. It is not the official version, but it is from the same creators, same developers, but it's just that it's a testing version. So like, okay, this is a weird. What's happening? Whoa, what's going on? Okay, so yeah, you should be good to go. Did I die again? Yeah, should be good to go. Oh. Okay, that was weird. Yeah, you should be good to go. See you next time on the Minecraft 123.